Good morning, children, to everyone. Let us continuously study this particular text or this particular chapter. A funny thing happened, chapter 5. Today, take page number 63. Page 63. See, yesterday I explained to you that this particular girl is very much afraid, or this particular girl was hearing some type of sound, and then after hearing she felt too much afraid. So today let's continue page number 63. See, this yesterday I read this first paragraph. Just below that you see, I turned and ran. I didn't have much time. I ran quickly through the forest. Therefore, this particular girl is running through the forest. I told you yesterday, he had to cross that particular forest. And in fact, all will be afraid if we go to the forest because it looks very dark and lot of trees are around that place. And so obviously you will be very much afraid. Similarly, this girl is too much afraid. Now, what are the sounds she could hear in the forest? Crush or crash, thump, thunk. See, these are all sounds. Crash, thump, crash, thump, thunk. These are all sounds. See, this is crash. Sometimes when any vehicles and so on meet with an accident, they crash. So it is some type of collide sound of accident, something like that. Sound of an accident. Or collide sound, some type something which is dashing to each other. Then thump here, you see, thump again here is something we strike heavily. We strike heavily. Then thunk, you see again it is very some type of dull sound. So dear children, all these are related with some type of sound. This particular girl is able to listen these sounds and then she is very much afraid. Next line you see, I huffed and I panted. Next line you see, I huffed and I panted. See, this particular girl is having difficulty in breathing because of the fear. You see here, I huffed and I panted. Huffed. Something blowing air from the blowing air. And then blow air, or then one more is the panted, you see. Panted. Again also this one also you see, this particular girl was having problem in breathing because of fear. It is breathed quickly. Breathing quickly. When we run and so on, when we are very tired, we breathe very quickly. So she was very much afraid due to the different types of sounds coming from the forest. Next slide. Scratch, ooch, ooh. See, scratch, ooch, ooh. These are some type of exclamation. Again, she is very much afraid. Scratch, scratch, Uch. Oh. These are exclamation. She is expressing her fear. Then scratch, some type of mark. Okay, so in a way to say this particular girl is very, very afraid. Next time you see. The creature was behind me, coming closer and closer to me. What is she telling? This particular creature, this particular animal was very near, and this animal is coming to creature. You see, this is animal. This creature is following her, and therefore she is very much afraid. The creature was behind me, coming closer and closer to me. See, what a fearful situation, what a terrible time this particular girl is facing in her life. She was too much afraid and fearful. Okay, next time you see. I fell out of the forest, and in front of me was the fortress. I fell out of the forest, and in front of me was a fortress. See, fortress here is very big building, fortress. Big building, big or very large building, big building, you can say, or very strong building which were there. And therefore, what happened? This girl, due to fear, immediately entered in this fortress, in this big building. So, my dear children, we will continue in our next class. So, I end my class here. Thank you very much to everyone.